Okay. Well, hello there again. Today we're going to make veal pizzaiola. First I want to tell you, I looked really kind of plumpy yesterday with white. So now we're going with black. And before we start any cooking, I'm going to explain something to you. Good food is like building a good building, like having a good family. You need a great foundation. The sauce that I showed you yesterday, the marinara, if you remember, it's going to be your foundation sauce. That's going to be the best sauce in the world. Now, we have it all bagged up like this, and if you like somebody, you give them the big one. If you don't like somebody, you give them the little one, because it takes a lot of hard work. So we have some veal over here. I already grilled some up on my little grill over here, so I don't go outside. We have some mushroom, peppers, spices, and olive oil with the marinara sauce. The reason why the marinara sauce is so important is because with that, as you're going to see, we're going to start making a lot of different dishes. There's going to be so many dishes that we can make that we're going to have to stop. I want to go to something else. And that's why it's marinara 101. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make Angelo's Pizzaiola, which is very simple. Use a little bit of olive oil. You can put garlic, but we have garlic in the sauce. Basil, but it's already in the sauce. Then we're going to use shiitake mushrooms. And I'll tell you what, the Chinese, that's why they live so long. These are the most nutritious mushroom that there is. And then peppers, which obviously are good for you, a lot of vitamin C. Okay, we're going to have to get this nice and hot over here. Take your peppers, you throw them in. This is going to be so simple. That's why it's good to have the sauce already made, because you can go home, chop a couple of things up together, bang, within 15 minutes you have something made. Okay? And this is why I hate electric stoves. They suck. They take too long. So while we do that, let's throw some salt and pepper in there. Let me put the other one in, so I don't have to work too hard. Some salt and pepper. Okay. And what we do is we'll add also the veal. This way we get it nice and hot. Or you don't have to grill them. You can just also just saute them. You get the veal, you pound it nice, and you saute it. We have the sauce right here. And what I'm going to do is after I make it, I like mushrooms. I'm going to add my own little flavor of truffle oil. Some people put olives, some people put whatever they want, but they're not Angelo, I'm Angelo. So that's the way I make mine. If you like it, you make it. If you don't like it, don't make it. What can I tell you? Okay? I'm just wasting time is what I'm doing. And I'm trying to teach a little something to some people that think that cooking is hard. Cooking is not hard at all. Okay? Well, I think it's time to work. Yeah. And I put on the wrong freaking thing. There we go. Try to get this started like that. We could probably move back and forth. What happened to caveman fire? You know? Yeah, face my version. I think I should have gotten this out before we started filming, but now it's too freaking late. We're gonna have to finish it. I state my case, for which I'm certain. There we go, now we're going. Each other court, every highway. There you go, now we're getting it. I did it my way. So now what we do is we get this beautiful marinara sauce that we made. Okay? I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. They did what they wanted to do, but I saw it through. That exemption. Okay, and this wasn't playing, by the way, the second song. Angelina was. Each careful step, and if, come here, get closer. Look how delicious this looks. I mean, if you could just taste it or smell it, it's amazing. So we cook this for a couple of seconds. Then, what I also like to do is I like to get a little bit of oregano. Because you need it in the pizzaiola. It's, you know, it wouldn't be pizzaiola without oregano, to be honest with you. You know? And then the final step. We mix. And I spit it out. And here's your finished product. And a little bit of truffle oil on top. And now you can put it on the table, and you and your wife and your kids can enjoy it. And this is why it's very important to have a good base. You need a good foundation, like I said before. Families, buildings, if you don't have a good foundation, kaput. So that sauce will help you create many dishes that are going to taste delicious no matter what. If you just pay attention, give it a few minutes, and you'll be fine. Now I'm going to say goodbye to you, and until tomorrow, we're going to make some different kinds of pestos. Because you can't keep basil fresh for a long time, parsley, so I make them into a pesto, and then I have them in the container and I use them when I need them. Ciao.